The kitchen has panel-ready refrigerator and freezer to match the cabinets. Storage above cooktop with a pot filler. That's a really nice touch. The microwave is a drawer microwave that pulls out in the kitchen island. Wall ovens. It's always nice to put the sink facing a window. You get a nice view. We're using a slab for the backsplash. This is one piece, the full length, without a single seam. We enlarged the kitchen. The kitchen is 20 feet long, built an island. This is a much more open space from what we had before. Lots of windows, bringing in lots of light. On the kitchen island, we added a little touch that adds some detail to the countertop material. You can see here on the waterfall and on the overhang, we wrapped around this step design that we had the contractor make all around the kitchen island.